Next topic in the small bio, that's the transcription. Earlier we have completed the which one? Replication. What is the meaning of replication? Formation of mirror image of the genetic material. One of them we have learned, that is DNA. Transcription. Okay, replication occurs in which part of the cell? In which part of the cell? Nucleus. Second, now we are going to learn about transcription. So transcription meaning what? The information which is present on DNA, right? That should be first come into the which one? That's the RNA. We call mRNA basically. And because DNA cannot come out to the cytoplasmic part. So some structure should be there which help in this process. That whatever information present with DNA, that should be reached to the which one? That's the cytoplasmic cell organelles, right? So cytoplasmic cell organelles further can identify that, form the product and utilize the product. Clear? If any protein, cells need any protein, तो protein के genes भी कहाँ पे है? DNA. So DNA gives their information, right? Same information. ऐसा नहीं कि DNA to other structure when form information will change. No. The information which is present in DNA, same information transcript, right? That formed by mRNA. So DNA to mRNA formation we call transcription. राइट डीएनए टू डीएनए को क्या बोलते हैं हम? रेप्लिकेशन. डीएनए टू एमआरएनए फॉर्मेशन वी कॉल ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. अंडरस्टूड? सो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन अकर इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द सेल? न्यूक्लियस. डीएनए टू एमआरएनए. डीएनए टू विच वन? एमआरएनए. समझ में आ रहा है? दैट्स आल्सो अकर इन अ विच पार्ट? न्यूक्लियस. अंडरस्टूड दिस? Then this mRNA through the nuclear pore reach to cytoplasm. And the next event begins, that's the translation with the help of ribosome. Understood? So now transcription, please focus, right? In that so many, that's the words, new words are coming, which is new for you and to understand. एक ही बार में कर लोगे तो it's better, otherwise वो doubt, right? So first, transcription, DNA to basically which one? mRNA, right? RNAs are of three types, mRNA, RNA, right? So now DNA in that, see, हमारा DNA, our DNA length is how much? 2.2 meter DNA, right? But strangely in that 2.2 meter DNA entirely do not code. Entire DNA do not code for means 100% DNA is not involved for coding protein. जितने भी प्रोटीन्स है हमारी बॉडी में, that is only the 2% part of the DNA. Right? Only 2% our DNA code for the which one? Protein. तो 98 तो कैसा है? Non-coding. Right? And जो non-coding है, I have told you earlier also, right? I told you this. Non-coding that helps to make our DNA fingerprint. Right? Non-coding से क्या बना हमारा? DNA fingerprint. Clear? So 2% DNA जो है ना, वो almost that similar in all of us. मेरे में जो ट्रिप्सिन है वही आप में है, मेरे में जो पेप्सिन है वही आप में, केराटिन है वही आप में. सो सेम थिंग, राइट? वो प्रोटीन्स के स्ट्रक्चर तो सेम रहेंगे. हीमोग्लोबिन, ग्लोबिन चेन तो उसके भी सेम. सो 2% डीएनए मान लो तो हमारा सेम ही है. यस और नो? बट जहां पे वेरिएबिलिटी आएगा जिससे हमारा क्या फॉर्म होता है? डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंट. क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, सो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, दैट इज डीएनए टू एमआरएनए. नाउ in this transcription, the first thing that you should understand, पहले तो transcription that should occur on both the strand of DNA. Here the DNA strand, helical नहीं बना रही हूँ अभी, just this one, linear. These two are complementary to each other. Right? Now imagine, right? You know this thing, only one strand of the DNA that at the time for transcription transcribe. Other strand will remain silent. So why this thing is there? Think other differently. If both the strand of DNA transcribe, then what happen? अगर दोनों strand transcribed होंगे तो क्या हो सकता है? Can you think about that? Yes, here the information like T A C G A T C ये है, तो इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ये है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? जी, isn't it? Right? Now consider this is the first, right? That's going to be transcribed. तो अगर ये ट्रांसक्राइब होगा मीनिंग ये 5 प्राइम, ये क्या हुआ इसका 3 प्राइम. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन रेप्लिकेशन अकर्स इन विच डायरेक्शन? Transcription occurs in a which direction? 5 prime to 3 prime. Replication, transcription, translation 5 prime to 3 prime. एक ही आंसर. Clear? So now this is the DNA. Now DNA से mRNA बनाना है तो 5 प्राइम ऑफ कंसीडर किसका करेंगे हम? टेम्पलेट के या न्यूली सिंथेसाइज्ड? न्यूली सिंथेसाइज्ड. सो हियर न्यूली सिंथेसाइज्ड में हमारा क्या आएगा? mRNA. यस और नो? डीएनए से mRNA बनेगा. डीएनए की सीक्वेंस ये है राइट नाउ TACGATC, राइट नाउ. तो इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ही बनेगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू सेम इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर, राइट. अगर यहाँ पे C है तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? जी. हियर थाइमिन, देन हियर बोलिए. ये मेजर डिफरेंस है. If mRNA RNA है, then adenine complementary to which one? So write uracil, right? Next one. After that G है तो cytosine है तो here 3 prime. Clear? Now, so one thing 5 prime to 3 prime ये हमने एक बनाया in this direction mRNA. Yes or no? Clear है? Now, as and when this mRNA reach to the cytoplasm, right? Cytoplasm में first one मिलेगा उसको ribosome, right? Ribosome has the ability to read this mRNA. ये कोडिंग को वो डिकोड कर देगा and helps to formation of protein. So आप देखिए, just take out that page जिसके ऊपर वो कोडोन लिखा था ना, याद है? 64 कोडॉन्स का लिस्ट है. So now कोडॉन्स रीडिंग भी हम ट्रांसलेशन में लर्न करेंगे. In that is in triplet form. So understand के like अभी यहाँ पे first triplet क्या आ रहा है? I told you translation also occurs in a which direction? 5 prime to 3 prime. So हम वही direction में जाएंगे, right? So now मान लो कि आप ही राइबोसोम हो, आप रीड कर रहे हो इसको. So first कोडॉन क्या आया? GAU. Find out GAU code for which one? GAU code for ASP meaning aspergine. बोलिए एस्परजीन करके है, राइट. चलिए नेक्स्ट वन. आफ्टर दैट CGU, दैट इज कोड फॉर arginine. You know arginine और कहीं पे था lysine and arginine for histone. So now if this strand read, then these 2 amino acids are there. Yes or no? यहाँ तक का क्लियर है. चलिए now we do for same thing for the other strand. So other strand में क्या है? 3 prime 5 prime. On that information ATGC TAG. Clear? mRNA will form from which direction? Newly synthesized or template? So this is newly synthesized. Here which prime should I write? 5 prime. Here which one? 3 prime. What should I write? Here A, C, G, A, U, T. Reading in a which form? Triplet. Reading in a which form? Triplet. First triplet क्या है? 5 prime से ही start करेंगे. So first triplet UAC, tyrosine. Stop codon नहीं हो सकता. That is tyrosine. Next one. After that GAU, that is which one? Okay. चलिए सीक्वेंस अगर आप देखो तो फर्स्ट अमाइनो एसिड यहाँ पे कौन सा है? एंड हियर 2 amino acids linked with each other by which bond? Peptide bond and form protein dipeptide initially, and like that many amino acids join. अगर हम सीक्वेंस और ऐड कर दें और amino acids and then it will form polypeptide, we call protein. तो दोनों प्रोटीन सेम हुए आपके. डाइन्यूक्लियोटाइड दोनों अभी जो भी डाइपेप्टाइड स्ट्रक्चर डाइपेप्टाइड स्ट्रक्चर जो फॉर्म हुआ दैट सेम और डिफरेंट. सो दैट्स व्हाई सपोज हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट ये A है, नॉट दिस B, राइट. तो सिर्फ यही स्ट्रैंड का क्या होना चाहिए, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. बिकॉज व्हेन बोथ द स्ट्रैंड्स ट्रांसक्राइब, right, cells need the cells form the protein as per their need, as per their need. So B की requirement ही नहीं है तो क्यों इसको that's a form करना, समझ में आ रहा है. So first is the reason, 2 marks के question के लिए learn करना है why only one strand of the DNA gets transcribed into mRNA at a time, not both the strands of DNA. Justify this statement, ये भी आ सकता है. If both the strands of DNA cannot be transcribed simultaneously, justify this statement. 2 marks के लिए. So one of the reason is this thing. Clear that if both the strands get transcribed, they form 2 different kinds of proteins which are not needed. Clear? First point समझ में आया ये? Yes or no? Now the second point. In that, second point, आप कंसीडर कीजिए ये जो येलो येलो है, राइट, इसको अभी हम कंबाइन कर रहे हैं. इन दैट 3 प्राइम 5 प्राइम AUG CUAG 5 prime to 3 prime. This yellow color is our what? mRNA. Next है UAC GAUC. So they are exactly complementary with each other. Yes or no? Adenine can makes bond with uracil, uracil, adenine, guanine, cytosine, cytosine, guanine. Yes or no? So these are, if both the strands, second reason is this one, that if both the strands transcribe simultaneously, they form complementary double-stranded RNA. And double-stranded RNA, you can read at a time, 1 page only or both the page simultaneously. So ribosomes also can read only 1 strand, not both the strand. Ribosome का ये feature है, ribosomes can read only 1 strand of mRNA at a time, not both the strands. So that's why if both the strands transcribe simultaneously, it forms what kind of mRNA? Double-stranded, and that double-stranded mRNA, as and when reach to the cytoplasm, ribosomes, that cannot be read by the ribosome. So ribosomes can form protein? No, protein will not be able to form by ribosomes. Clear? That's why at a time, the requirement जो भी protein का है, according to that, only one of the strand act as a which one? Template. Right? अगर A strand की requirement है तो A strand act as a which one? Template. तब B को हम बोलेंगे coding. See this word. Coding दिया है, but this thing do not code for anything. Name given is which one? Coding. This is the main line. यही MCQs में students को trouble होता है. हम next sequence based MCQs इसका एक learn करेंगे. Right? So in this one, the information, the strand from which the information taken to make mRNA, that strand we call template. That strand we call template. At the same time, other strand we call coding. Clear? The strand which gives the information to form protein during transcription we call template, and the other strand क्या बन जाएगा वो टाइम पे? Coding. Understood? Suppose ये strand जो है first, this one, right? This one that acts as a template. See here, this one acts as a which one? Template. So this one become what? Coding. This is template. This is coding. Clear है definition? Template strand, coding strand. Yes or no? Sure. Second, that's we have learned why double-stranded RNAs or that's a DNA. From that, only one, that's a single strand is read and not the double-stranded RNA is formed. ये reasons clear है. First reason is which one? If both the strands get transcribed, both the strands of DNA get transcribed, then what happens? Different proteins are formed. Second, both the strands are complementary to each other, so they can form what? Double, and that cannot be read by. So protein will not be able to form. Clear? Understood? कोई doubt?